Hello audience. So another video, beautiful Saturday here in the hot weather, but I mean I'm inside. But what I wanted to do is show you guys what I'm going to be packing on a trip that I have coming up, going to Europe for about two and a half weeks ish. Thought it'd be kind of good insight on what I'm going to bring for the trip as far as camera gear goes. I'm going to take a lot of landscape, some action shots at a race, and just overall like pictures and video in general. So I thought I'd give a good rundown of what I'm bringing, because I also am not going to be using my old bag. This guy, this is the Wander Pete Provoke, I think that's how you pronounce it, and mainly wanted to get a new backpack because once you start packing so much gear, I was tired of breaking my back, and I thought this is the trip I'm not gonna break my back. So this is not coming this time, so that goes over there. And then this time I'm got this new backpack. This is the Brevité jumper. I think it's pronounced Brevité, however you want to pronounce it. Yeah, Brevité, yeah. It's a bit smaller, and it's mainly got this because it's like I said, smaller. And the nice thing about it is that it's got a pass-through for putting it on like a roller suitcase. So I'm excited about that. Let's get started. Okay, so the main thing I'm obviously gonna bring is my A7R5. Currently filming on that though right now though, so can't really show putting it in the bag, but it will be with my nice 24-70, and I'm actually not bringing the Sigma, and I've rented the 24-70 G Master 2, only because the unfortunate thing about my Sigma, and I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up or not, but it's got like dust inside and the many different elements that are in there, and I don't want to take a chance bringing this on this trip and have more dust or have something go wrong. Not that you can see it in pictures, but I want the best photos I can get because I'm very hyped for this trip. Then the next thing I am bringing is 16-35 millimeter G Master 1. Very excited for to bring this, as this takes some of my best landscape photos. One of the places we're going to in Italy is the Saseta mountain range in the Dolomites, and I got a very heavy ND filter. Yeah, I got a very like one of these basically sunglass LED filters, or not LED, ND filters from Polar Pro. And I'm hoping this is gonna give me a really good photo of clouds, like looking all smooth and everything, if there are clouds. But I have it now for any future sort of photo I wanna take. Okay, and then also bringing my staple 100-400 G Master 1 with my big Chungo lens hood. This thing is obviously beast. You've seen it in previous videos I've done before when I was showing off my camera at my desk, now that I'm sitting on the couch. But anyway, so we're going to an F1 race. This is going to be good for those panning shots. And then the other piece I also rented was a 2x telephoto zoom. Hoping to use that for like getting photos in the pits. I did use this lens on an A7 IV a few years ago, and got some photos of the drivers in the pits getting cars changed, like their tires changed and everything, and that yielded some really good pictures. I'll try and put some in right here. You know, for what it is, it doesn't seem to degrade image quality as much. Reviews online say otherwise, but yeah, 100-400 is going in the bag. And then I'm gonna move on to some smaller pieces. Right here, GoPro Hero 10. Can't go wrong with not having an action camera or bringing one, just for any action or activities we may end up doing that, oh yeah, let me take some video of this. And so the idea of just hold this like this and just, you know, take pictures. So. Then next up we got my DJI Air 2S. I find it very hard to use a drone on a trip because you get it out, it's awkward, people are around, and then you go to fly it and I don't know, maybe it's just me, you just get the anxiety, something's gonna go wrong and it's gonna hit people. But I'm determined to use it this time just because I want to be able to capture video and put together, you know, a cinematic film or two of like the northern area of Italy, the Dolomites, or driving in the Swiss Alps. I think that's gonna be really neat. I'd like to try and do that this time, but if anything, it may just end up being dead weight. But anyway, DJI Air 2S. Then the next piece I'm bringing, and it's not, I mean, I'm using it right now, is my Peak Design tripod. Beast of a thing. It's gonna go in my suitcase so I don't have to carry it like on the side of the new backpack right here. That's what's gonna help me take photos with like the ND filter as well as like photos of my fiance and mine. So Peak Design travel tripod. And then the other thing I'm bringing is going to be the new M4 iPad Pro. You guys got a lot of views on my third video, like over 4,000 views, which is sweet. Yeah, this is gonna be for putting my pictures on with some of the accessories I'm actually gonna show in a few seconds, and really gonna put this through its paces, I think. And when I get back, I'm gonna even do a full travel review of using the iPad from a photographer's perspective. This new one, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so now we're gonna look at some accessories, some very useful, well, I mean, essential accessories. So a battery grip for when we go to our race, and maybe I just may keep it on the camera in general. The amount of power that the A7R5 sucks. So this is gonna be real nice to have. Got nothing much else to say. As aforementioned, extra batteries for the camera. Bringing nifty my high-end memory card reader that I got recently from Sony, and this thing is really well built. It's like a nice, it's like a nice metal, and it's USB-C, so it's just gonna plug right into the iPad. And using this, it's perfect. So. Bringing also another camera strap. This is my Peak Design quick strap light. I don't know what to call it. But mainly because it's got two sides to the fabric, ribbed, like rubbery side, and then on the flip side it's like a silk, yeah, like a silk fabric. So, and it actually makes a difference. Extra camera strap for when I want to go switch it out on race day. Okay, and then as a bonus, I'm actually gonna be bringing my Canon A1. Lately, I've been watching a lot of videos on film, the process of taking pictures on film, and I thought as an experiment, it'd be really just something different to bring. So I'm bringing that. It's going to be bringing Kodak 200 Gold film that I got coming in from Amazon. I ordered it like literally 5 minutes ago. 2 rolls of that, and then 1 roll of Portra 400. This is a good film for like skin tones, and I would like to take pictures of us at Lake Como. So hoping to get to do that. Hoping it doesn't become a mess to bring. So. But yeah, that's what I'm bringing on the trip. Things I didn't show were just like cables and whatnot for like charging, and the drone remote controller. I'm gonna try and split it up between like my backpack and then my suitcase, so I'm not breaking my back and can kind of offload stuff or load stuff as needed. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me pack. Very, very excited to bring back lots of photos and video, and stay tuned for that. But yeah, very excited for, you know, going and taking all these photos and video, and hoping to make some really great films on the trip. So, but yeah, like, subscribe, comment. I've gotten some great comments on my past videos, my first 3 videos, and let's just yeah, let's keep it going. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.